Hey guys, Scott Solari here with Real Synch, and welcome back to another episode of Real Tech Talk. Today I'm going to answer the question, what is an API? So stay tuned. Okay, so you're hearing now all the time in real estate, what is an API, right? People ask that, I feel like all the time, or they just have an assumption of what that actually is and what it does. So I wanted to explain a little bit about what it is and the importance of it, okay? And how it relates to not only what RealSync does, but what every application that you're using does. So API stands for Application Programming Interface, also known as an API. So what does that mean? Well, it means that if the application that you're using has an API, it means it allows to not only ingest data, but to also put data out, right? So one of the questions you should be asking, is there an open API for every application or system that you decide to work with? That way you know that there's an opportunity at least for integration, even if the integrations aren't there yet. And so where RealSync comes into play is that we're the middleware that connects from one API to another. So think of us as a bridge where we take data over here, and as that data travels, it goes into the other API and creates some automation or some things happen here. And then when the data comes back out of that API, we send it all the way back to the other system in that API, and that can create more automation, right? Just based on different triggers or filters or things that are happening. So it's a big deal when you have your system and you want to go and use other systems on moving data back and forth. There's a video that I'm going to link that MuleSoft did. MuleSoft is a huge integration API, an integration middleware company that connects to APIs, does it in other industries, okay? And they made an amazing video that I think will really give you a better explanation than I can even give. So I'm going to link it below. Check out that video as well. And if you ever have any questions about APIs or how we integrate with them or how we can not only make your business more efficient, but automate these processes by having all these integrations, reach out to us at RealSync. I'm happy to help. So watch that video from MuleSoft. It's awesome and it's easy to understand. It gives you a really clear idea of how important APIs are and how they work. Thanks so much for watching. This is Scott with RealSync, and this has been another episode of Real Tech Talk, and I'll see you soon.